What's the meaning of click? Click. Click.
Click. Click. The term click refers to a single instance of pressing a button on a computer mouse or trackpad. When a user clicks on an object such as a hyperlink, button or icon, it triggers an action, such as opening a link in a web browser or executing a command within an application. Clicking is a fundamental action in modern computing, used to interact with user interfaces and navigate through digital content. It has become an essential part of our daily lives, facilitating communication, entertainment, and productivity in the digital world.